Now students, we will discuss methods for the preparation of alkanes. First of all, we will prepare alkanes by hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes. Students, here we use a term hydrogenation. What is meant by hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen is known as hydrogenation. यानी हाइड्रोजन का ऐड होना क्या कहलाता है? Hydrogenation. Usually, addition reactions takes place in unsaturated compounds like alkenes or alkynes. So we do the process of hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes to prepare alkanes. Now students, usually hydrogenation is proceeded in the presence of catalyst. यानी हम catalyst के presence में alkenes या alkynes में hydrogen add करते हैं. The catalyst which is usually used is nickel, right? We heat the nickel catalyst at 2 to 300 degree centigrade to get the alkanes. Beside nickel, we can also use platinum or palladium. Nickel के अलावा हम platinum या palladium को भी use कर सकते हैं. Now students, to understand this reaction, we will see some examples. For example, if we have ethene molecule, ethene H2C double bond CH2. Now we add hydrogen in ethene and this is known as hydrogenation. This process is carried out in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and the range of temperature is 200 to 300 degree centigrade. Right students? Now if we do the hydrogenation of ethene, then hydrogen is added across the double bond. जहाँ पे double bond मौजूद है वहाँ पे hydrogen add हो जाएगा and in this way ethene is converted into ethane. From ethene we get ethane. ठीक है, ethene changes to ethane. This is ethene. Now students, to understand the concept, we will take one more example. For example, if we have ethyne, अगर हमारे पास ethyne molecule है और अगर हम ethyne की hydrogenation करें, ethyne we know very well alkyne which has triple bond between two carbon atoms. This is ethyne. Right students? And we do the hydrogenation of ethyne. हम ethyne की hydrogenation करेंगे. Again, the reaction conditions are, here we have nickel as a catalyst. Right students? Nickel is used as a catalyst and the temperature range is 200 to 300 degree centigrade. Now under these conditions, if we do the hydrogenation, right students, then at the first stage ethyne is converted into ethene. पहला पाई बॉन्ड खत्म होगा, पहला डबल एक इसमें से कोवलेंट बॉन्ड खत्म होगा और इथाइन जो है it changes to ethene. In this way we get ethene from ethyne. Right students? Here the molecule is ethyne. After the hydrogenation, ethyne is converted into ethene. Now if you want to get ethane from ethene, further we continue the process of hydrogenation. Hydrogenation के process को further हम continue करेंगे. We will write the molecule of ethene CH2. Again hydrogen is needed for the hydrogenation and here we have nickel as a catalyst. Nickel is used as a catalyst and the range of temperature is 200 to 300 degree centigrade. Under these conditions, 1 mole of hydrogen is added to ethene and ethene is finally converted into ethane. Ethene is converted into ethane. So in this way we get ethane molecule from ethyne. I hope this reaction is clear to you students. Now students, a question is given to us, right students, and in this question we are asked to complete the given reaction. We will see what reaction is given to us. Here we have a question, CH3 CH double bond CH2. We do the hydrogenation in the presence of catalyst, that is nickel, at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. We are asked to complete the reaction. Now students, we will see what products are formed when hydrogen is added to this product. In this compound, what is the compound? It is propene, right? Hydrogen is added at the site of the double bond. Where is the double bond present in the molecule? This is the double bond. Hydrogen is added at the site of double bond. So after the reaction, we get here CH3, CH2, CH3. Right students, after the reaction we get this product. What product is formed? Name the product. Yes, correct. It is propane. So in this way, propene is converted into propane after hydrogenation. One more question is given to us. We'll see the question. A compound is given. Right students, this is the compound CH3, C triple bond CH. Do the hydrogenation of this compound under the presence of catalyst as well as the temperature range which is given. Here the catalyst which is used is nickel and the range of temperature is 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. Right students, now we will write what product is formed. Again, hydrogen is added at the site of the double bond. Where double bond is present in the molecule, this is the site of double bond. So here hydrogen is added at the first stage. This is propyne. At the first stage, propyne is converted into propene. Now we write the structure of propene. We will get CH3, CH double bond CH2. Right students? So in this way, propyne is converted to propene. Here the molecule which is given is propyne. Propyne. Still there is a molecule is unsaturated. Molecule अभी तक जो product हमें मिला है unsaturated है, since it has double bond in it. It can add 1 mole of hydrogen. यानी मजीद इसके अंदर हाइड्रोजन का 1 मोल ऐड हो सकता है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. सो वंस अगेन वी विल राइट द प्रोडक्ट एंड ऐड द हाइड्रोजन. वी विल राइट प्रोपीन CH3, CH double bond CH2, add hydrogen. Right students, in the presence of nickel, and the range of temperature would be 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Now the product which is formed after the reaction, the product which is formed is CH3, CH2, CH3. In this way, propene is converted to propane. It is converted to a saturated compound, that is propane. I hope addition of hydrogen is clear to you students. Now students, we will see the next method which is used for the preparation of alkanes. The next method is, we can prepare alkanes by the reduction of alkyl halides. We can prepare alkanes by the reduction of alkyl halides. When alkyl halide is treated with zinc in the presence of aqueous acid, usually we get alkanes. The aqueous acids which are usually used are aqueous HCl or acetic acid. Now students, we will see what reaction takes place. We have, for example, we have methyl chloride, alkyl halide which is methyl CH3Cl, methyl chloride, and in the presence of aqueous acid. Aqueous, actually zinc is used with aqueous HCl. What is the role of zinc students? Zinc react with aqueous acid and it will liberate nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen means atomic hydrogen, right students? This atomic hydrogen is highly reactive. It added to alkyl halide molecule, and we can say it reduces alkyl halide molecule. Since we know addition of hydrogen is known as reduction, so here we use zinc in the presence of HCl. Here zinc is used in the presence of aqueous HCl. Zinc on reaction with HCl will produce nascent or atomic hydrogen, which is added to alkyl halide and reduce it. So after the reaction, the product which is formed is one hydrogen. We have two hydrogen atoms here, students. One hydrogen atom added to carbon, another hydrogen added to chlorine. So after the reaction, the product is CH3 plus H would be CH4 plus HCl. So in this way, we get methane molecule. Right, students? Now students, here some questions are given to understand the concept. The question is, we are asked to complete some reactions. Now students, we will see what reactions are given to us. The first reaction is, a molecule is given, CH3, CH2, Cl. This molecule is given. And reaction conditions which are provided, that is, we are given aqueous HCl along with zinc. These are the reaction conditions. Here we are given zinc with aqueous HCl. Students, we know जिंक एक्वस HCl से रिएक्शन करने के बाद नेसेंट या एटॉमिक हाइड्रोजन लिबरेट करता है. ठीक है, ये जो एटॉमिक हाइड्रोजन है इट इज़ एडेड टू अल्काइल हैलाइड मॉलिक्यूल. ये अल्काइल हैलाइड मॉलिक्यूल में ऐड हो जाती है और हमें मालूम है एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज नोन एज रिडक्शन. देयर आर टू हाइड्रोजन एटम्स, वन हाइड्रोजन एटम एडेड टू कार्बन, another hydrogen atom added to chlorine. So after the reaction, the product which is formed will be, we get the product CH3, CH3. So in this way, ethyl chloride changes to ethane. Which alkane is produced, students? Ethane. Plus we get HCl. Clear, students? Now here one more reaction is given, right, and we are asked to complete the reaction. We will see what reaction is given, students. Here we are given this molecule CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. This is the molecule, right, students, and we are asked to complete the reaction. Reaction conditions which are given here: 2 moles of nascent hydrogen which is liberated in the presence of zinc and aqueous HCl. Now students, we will see what reaction takes place. Zinc on reaction with HCl will produce atomic hydrogen, right, students? Now there are two hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen atom added to this carbon, right, students, and another hydrogen atom added to chlorine. So after the reaction, we get CH3, CH2, CH3. Which alkane is produced? Alkane, which is made up of 3 carbon atoms, is known as propane. Propane. Plus we get HCl. I hope preparation of alkane is clear to you, students.